What's up, good people? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. For those of you that's been rolling with me for a while, you know, go ahead and hit the like button. If you're new to the page, hit the like button, subscribe button, and the notification bell so you can get all of the notifications. Make sure you hit all. Do the same thing on your cell phone. Forgive these allergies. They're kicking my butt today. Hopefully you had a blessed Father's Day weekend and enjoyed time with your family, your fathers. Let's just talk about Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies for a while. Let's just do an overall look. I'm going to go to some charts first, and then we'll discuss after that what I'm looking at as a short or long-term play with cryptocurrencies, right? And let's just go right to it. Let's look at what's happening here on this phone. All right, as you could see, at the time of this recording, Bitcoin down 7.68%, Cardano almost 12%, Polygon 12%, Tezos almost 12%, Ethereum almost 11.5% negative over the last 24 hours. Even XRP 10.65, and the dirty Doge is down, though Doge on Coinbase is giving one price and Doge on Robinhood is giving another price. Robinhood, excuse me. So, I mean, it's just a bloodbath with crypto right now. It's no way of putting lipstick on this pig. It's not good. It's just not good. And so now you have to ask yourself, is this the bottom, right? Right off the back, I'm going to tell you myself, I'm not doing probably any buying this week, because it's like trying to catch a falling knife. You don't know where the bottom is. I believe that there's going to be plenty more volatility left for this week. In specific, you got China banning the use of Bitcoin because it's competing with their crypto. It's competing with their digital currency over there. And so, you know, China is not a democracy, okay? You got the government making all the calls. They tell you what to do, when to do it, and how to do it. This, yes, sir, or you get thrown in jail. You get thrown in prison. All right, that's China, and it's a dictatorship. Let's just call it what it is. And so they are doing what they need to do to protect their currency and their government, but it has a negative effect on the market. As a matter of fact, lately, over the last 6 months, the two most negative things that I've seen to hit cryptocurrency is China basically keep reiterating the same news that they were talking about last year. And every time they bring it up, of course, the market reacts negatively. They can bring this same news up in a month from now, and the market is going to react negatively. I know there's a lot of Doge holders. Now, Doge Coin and AMC are two totally different things. All right. I know there's a lot of us that are in AMC and we got our emotions tied into it. So I'm breaking all the rules for my AMC plays. OK, but when it comes to Dogecoin, I'm really about fundamentals. And anytime you have one person that could negatively cause a catalyst for the entire industry, like Elon Musk, I'm just not down for that ride. So like I told you guys before, I got out of my Doge. You know, we played it with the Saturday Night Live things. We made a lot of money. We got out Friday, just like I suggested. And then Saturday, as he got on, it tanked. Now, I'm for Elon Musk when it comes to Tesla. He's brilliant. But remember this, good people, and this is the truth. There's a thin line between brilliance and crazy. Just remember that. There's a thin line between brilliance and crazy. And he teeters on that line. He just, I'm brilliant, I'm crazy, I'm brilliant, I'm crazy. He's just like just dancing on that line. And he just needs to stay on one side or the other for a while so we can figure out who he is. But he's affecting the market in a negative way. Let's look at what's happening. All right, Beijing cracked down on the miners, of course. There are concerns about energy. You and I know that that's not a legitimate concern, their energy costs, right? The miners now are forced to go to other places. So they're moving to other countries. They are going to meet some problems with countries concerned about energy costs, right? But they're literally going to other countries and they're coming to the United States. They're looking at states to come to. So I think that the mining companies will eventually get up and going again, right? But here's the problem. And I want you to think about this. The problem is it takes 6 to 9 months to get it up and going, and they're going to be more energy efficient when they do. There's going to be a lot of solar used in creating with the miners, right? Creating all of the cryptos. They're going to start using solar and more energy efficient ways to cut down on the electricity costs. Okay, that's what's going to happen. That's what the push is. That's what Elon Musk, big problem with crypto and a lot of other people, right? They're going to get that under wraps. I'm sure of that in my head. But here's the problem. Winter's coming for all crypto. Winter is coming. And if it takes these miners 6 to 9 months, remember, we're just thinking, I'm just painting a picture for you to think, then winter will be here in 9 months. Winter will be here in 6 months. And what I mean by winter, for those of you that know crypto, that means that it could go dormant for 2 to 3 years and it just flatlines. And during the winter is when you should be dollar cost averaging in. So what is the end game, Larry? What are you going to do? Remember, I'm not your financial advisor. You should do your own research and consult with your financial advisor, to which I am not. We have to keep saying that. But what I'm doing now is I'm assessing my buy-in price. I'm assessing, is the knife going to keep falling, because I'm not trying to catch a falling knife. To be on the safer side, I'm pretty much going to let next weekend run through and see what happens. Right now, we could be in some buy ranges right now, because every time China speaks negatively about crypto, this is what happened. There's a knee-jerk reaction and then there's a rebound. So for swing traders, this might be the time to be buying for you. But what I'm doing is I'm buying for the next cycle. At least I'm making Bitcoin and cryptocurrency an investment. And so let's look right here. So if you see here, for those of you that don't know, I know a lot of you know, every time there's a winter with crypto, so this is 2016, and as you can see, it's at $600, $700, right? But every time winter is over and we're into a new cycle, there's new highs. Now we're up to 15,000. So we go from 900, we go from 600, 700, 900s to the new cycle in 2017. Here we are at 15,000, right? Cools off, go back into a winter. Then here we are, 2018, we're at 10,000. But now here we are in our newer cycle. Here we are, it hit highs of 54, as right now, of course, it's 32. It's 32.44 at the time of this video. So what I'm showing you is every time there's a winter and there's a cycle, the new cycle always opens up higher than where the old cycle highs is. So if the new cycle is going to open up, and the new cycle could open up at, Bitcoin could open up at 100,000. 100,000 could be the floor. And so what I'm saying to you guys, what Larry is doing is I'm investing now for the new cycle. And so I'm going to dollar cost average in over the winter. That way I'm not worried about if winter comes, if I'm getting caught. The only way to really do that is not buy it when it goes green, and only buy it when it's doing stuff like this. These are the only times that I buy Bitcoin. When I mean Bitcoin, I mean all cryptocurrency. This is the only time that I buy crypto, when it's taking a bloodbath, when it is absolutely red. Is it the floor? We don't know. But we do know that the lower we buy it, the less risk it is. Remember, I always tell you guys that Buying crypto or an equity is all about managing risk once you buy it, right? So what happens is crypto, and I know a lot of you guys are not buying it right now because I could see the Coinbase downloads from my site alone. When crypto is running really green and really hot, I see a ton of downloads. That is the polar opposite of what you should be doing. As a matter of fact, nobody should be clicking my link and downloading it when it's hot, red hot green, should I say, running like a bull. I shouldn't be seeing downloads then. And that's when I see the downloads. I should see the downloads when it's taking a bloodbath like now, because the lower you buy it, the less risk you have, the more money you're going to make over long term. So I want you to leave me a comment below. Is this a short-term play for you? Are you trying to cash out before winter, or is cryptocurrencies an investment for you? It is for me. I'm going to continue to invest in crypto. I'm going to see where it is. If it goes down the next weekend, though, I might dollar cost average in this Wednesday. It seems to be a day, Wednesdays are my buy days. So I'm just going to monitor it, see where it is Wednesday. And I'm going to see where it is tomorrow even. And I might start buying just a little bit. Remember, don't go all in. Cut your money up into 5 parts just in case it keeps going further down, right? So don't catch the falling knife. You're going to get cut. But I want to see what next weekend does, because I believe there's a lot more volatility. As you know, cryptocurrencies make major moves on weekends, right? And for those of you that don't know, it trades 24 hours. So that's what I want to say to shine a light on all of crypto. I want you to pull up the chart. I want you to, they always say, when in doubt, zoom out. So I want you to zoom out and look at all of the cycles, look at the winters and look at the new cycles. And every time there's a new cycle, it's higher than the high it's higher than the highs of the previous cycle. For those of you that downloads the Webull, it helps the page out. If you want to help the page out, download the Webull app, click the link below, get 2 free stocks worth up to $2,300 now. Okay. And then you can actually, they have a promo going on. They keep doing these promos where you could send a link out and then you can get other people to download, and then you get free stock, right? And so that helps the channel out. I do want to say this, that for those of you that's in Robinhood, as I call AKA Robin the Hood, I would consider coming over to Webull. And you say, yeah, but they don't have fractional shares. They soon will be. I can't give you a date, but they soon, very soon, will be doing fractional shares. Hopefully this helped you out a little bit. Remember, leave me a comment of what you're doing with your crypto, and let's just study and let's just zoom out and see, are we making the right moves? All right, good people, I love you guys. Live, love, laugh, and learn.